Colorado National Guard called to schedule one of our trucks for pressure washing heavy equipment. They were finishing their cleanup of the washed out roads and other flood damage in northern Colorado. They had an assortment of heavy construction equipment, and they needed us to get the mud off before they sent them back to the different bases they came from. The National Guard brought the equipment in from Kansas, Utah, and other surrounding states. They had a lot of equipment and manpower involved in the cleanup. Most of what they had us wash was bulldozers and the trucks and trailers that hauled them. They used the bulldozers to clear the dirt and rocks that came down the mountains in the heavy rain and floods. Much of the heavy equipment was used to clear Highway 7 from Boulder to Estes Park. Some of the other roads around Boulder, Longmont, and Fort Collins were flooded out as well. They had us station one of our trucks at a yard in Boulder for 3 days so they could bring the equipment in for cleaning. Since we did some truck washing for them a couple of weeks ago, they knew what we would need to get the work done. We needed a large open space and a water connection with enough pressure to keep the tank full so our crew didn't have to waste time waiting for water. You go through a lot of water when you're blasting off all that mud. Our trucks have 2 pressure washers, and when both machines are running, you can empty the 500-gallon water tank in no time. And they often had a long line of trucks loaded with equipment needing pressure washing. Our crew kept pretty busy trying to get everything done in 3 days. The National Guard timed the cleanup pretty well. The last day, our crew was working in temperatures in the 30s to get everything done. Some of the heavy equipment came in with a few inches of snow. But we're used to working in cold temperatures in Colorado. We got everything clean so they could all get back to their different bases. If you need heavy equipment cleaning, even in Colorado's cold weather, call our office.